Want to maximize your real estate returns? These 15 proven strategies can take your investing game to the next level, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Stick around to learn how to build wealth faster. Welcome to Business Training Media's Real Estate Investing Series. In today's video, we'll explore 15 powerful real estate investing strategies for big profits. So before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Real estate investing is a stable and dynamic route to financial success in the constantly changing world of wealth creation. Investors from a variety of backgrounds have been drawn to the world of property ownership by the attraction of material assets, passive income streams, and the possibility of significant capital growth. But there is no one-size-fits-all approach to real estate investing. It requires a sophisticated grasp of the nuances of the market, risk assessment, and the tactical application of different investment approaches. These varied strategies are intended to meet the various needs of investors, whether they are novices looking to start a financial growth journey or seasoned professionals looking to optimize their portfolios. Real estate, beyond its physical presence, serves as a canvas for a myriad of investment strategies, each painting a unique picture of risk and reward. From the adrenaline-fueled world of fix and flip ventures to the steadfast resilience of the buy and hold approach. These strategies encapsulate the essence of real estate investing in its various forms. Each strategy is a testament to the adaptability and versatility required to navigate the ever-shifting tides of the real estate market. We'll break down these strategies in depth, providing a comprehensive analysis that goes beyond surface-level understanding. Whether you're a novice looking to understand the fundamentals or a seasoned investor seeking to expand your repertoire, this guide aims to be your compass, guiding you through the diverse terrains of real estate investing. The real estate market, like any other, is subject to fluctuations influenced by economic trends, market demands, and regulatory changes. To navigate this landscape effectively, investors must not only grasp the mechanics of each strategy but also possess the foresight to adapt and evolve with the market. Therefore, our exploration of these 15 strategies is not just a static revelation but an invitation to engage with the ever-evolving narrative of real estate investing. As we embark on this journey, it's essential to recognize that real estate investment is a nuanced art rather than a rigid science. Success in this field requires a blend of analytical prowess, entrepreneurial spirit, and a commitment to continuous learning. Let's review our list of the 15 powerful real estate investing strategies for big profits. Number 1. Fix and flip. Fix and flip is a popular strategy where investors purchase distressed properties, renovate them, and then sell them for a profit. Success in this strategy requires a keen eye for undervalued properties, a solid understanding of renovation costs, and the ability to accurately estimate the resale value post-renovation. Number 2. Buy and hold. Buy and hold is a long-term strategy where investors purchase properties with the intention of holding onto them for an extended period. This strategy is ideal for generating passive income through rental payments as well as benefiting from property appreciation over time. Those who are interested in long-term wealth accumulation and retirement planning favor it. Number 3. Wholesaling. Wholesaling involves securing a property under contract at a lower price and then assigning the contract to another buyer for a fee. This strategy requires strong negotiation skills and a robust network to find both motivated sellers and potential buyers. Wholesaling is a low-risk entry point into real estate investing, as it typically requires minimal capital. Number 4. House hacking. House hacking is a strategy where investors generate rental income by renting out part of their property, helping to offset housing costs. This strategy helps investors cut or even eliminate housing costs, making it ideal for those starting with limited capital. House hacking can be implemented with homes, duplexes, triplexes, or even larger multifamily properties. Number 5. Short-term rentals. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb, Vrbo and others, short-term rentals have become a popular real estate investment strategy. Investors buy properties in prime tourist or business hotspots and rent them out for short-term stays. While potentially more profitable than traditional long-term rentals, short-term rentals require active management and adherence to local regulations. Number 6. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their funds to invest in larger real estate projects. This strategy provides opportunities to diversify across various properties and markets without the need for substantial capital. However, it's essential to carefully vet crowdfunding platforms and understand the associated risks. Number 7. Commercial real estate investing. Commercial real estate encompasses a broad range of property types, including office buildings, retail spaces, multifamily properties, and industrial facilities. Investing in commercial real estate can offer higher returns than residential properties, but it also comes with increased complexity and risk. This strategy is best suited for experienced investors with a thorough understanding of market trends and property management. Number 8. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are publicly traded companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across various sectors. Investing in REITs provides a way for investors to access real estate markets without directly owning physical properties. This strategy is ideal for those seeking passive income and diversification within their investment portfolio. Number 9. Lease options. Lease options involve leasing a property with the option to purchase it at a later date. This strategy allows investors to control a property without the immediate need for a large down payment. Lease options are particularly beneficial in markets where property values are expected to appreciate, giving investors the opportunity to buy at today's prices and benefit from future appreciation. Number 10. Tax lien investing. Investing in tax liens involves purchasing delinquent property tax debts. In some cases, this can lead to acquiring the property if the owner fails to pay the debt. Tax lien investing can be a complex strategy that requires thorough research and an understanding of local tax laws, but it can offer high returns with relatively low risk. Number 11. Seller financing. Seller financing involves the property seller acting as the lender to the buyer. Instead of obtaining a traditional mortgage, the buyer makes payments directly to the seller. This strategy can be advantageous for both parties, allowing the buyer to secure financing without meeting stringent bank criteria and providing the seller with ongoing income. Number 12. Value-add investing. Value-add investing focuses on identifying properties with untapped potential and implementing improvements to increase their value. This may include renovations, rebranding, or changing a property's market position. Successful investors understand market trends and make smart improvements to boost property value. Number 13. Joint ventures. Joint ventures involve partnering with other investors to pool resources and share the responsibilities of a real estate investment. This strategy is beneficial for those looking to leverage the expertise and financial strength of multiple individuals. Joint ventures can be structured in various ways, including partnerships, limited liability companies, LLCs, or private equity arrangements. Number 14. 1031 exchange. The 1031 exchange is a tax-deferred strategy that allows investors to sell a property and reinvest the proceeds into a similar like-kind property without incurring immediate capital gains taxes. This strategy is suitable for those looking to upgrade their property portfolio while deferring tax liabilities. It's crucial to adhere to specific IRS guidelines to qualify for the tax benefits of a 1031 exchange. Number 15. Land development. Land development involves purchasing undeveloped land and improving it for resale or long-term investment. This strategy requires a thorough understanding of zoning regulations, infrastructure development, and market demand. While potentially lucrative, land development comes with higher risks and longer timelines compared to other real estate investment strategies. Real estate investing offers a plethora of strategies, each catering to different investor preferences, risk tolerances, and financial goals. Whether you're aiming for short-term gains through fix and flip or long-term wealth accumulation through buy and hold, the key to success lies in thorough research, market analysis, and strategic execution. Before embarking on any real estate investment journey, it's crucial to assess your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment objectives. Diversification, ongoing education, and a proactive approach to market trends will contribute to sustained success in the dynamic world of real estate investing. By incorporating these 15 strategies into your investment toolkit, you can navigate the real estate market with confidence and optimize your chances of achieving maximum returns. To kickstart your real estate investment journey, we've listed top-rated investing courses in the description below. Click the link to find the perfect course and elevate your investing skills. Which of these 15 real estate investing strategies would you consider using? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Want to skyrocket your real estate profits? These 15 powerful strategies can help you build wealth faster, whether you're just starting or already investing. Stick around to unlock the secrets to maximizing returns. For free online courses and more wealth building investment strategies. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.